Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video guys, I'd like to talk with you about one amazing platform that you can try for free to see is it suitable for you. Personally, I think it is. It's really straightforward. Everyone can use this amazing platform, and I'd like to talk with you more about the benefits of using Bitsgap. That's right guys, Bitsgap, all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Best crypto trading bots, smart, algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading, everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. So it's a real deal. It's not a magic one that can actually make you rich, but this is a great way to generate passive income. I'll try to cover everything for you guys because I think it's really straightforward. I'll be completely honest with you. I'm not an expert with bots, but so this is simple even for me guys. You don't need to be an expert for this. You can see everything is automated. Interface is beautiful. I mean, everything is one more time straightforward. Everyone can use this, and it's really cheap, and you can try it for free. It's not about demo. You can try using your real assets for free to use this platform to see is this good for you or not. Discover best opportunities to maximize your profit. Trading bot, get an advantage over the fluctuating market with minimum risk with our automated algorithm generating a profit on every market move. So you can trade on Binance, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, Kraken, Gate.io, Liquid. So of course it depends on where do you keep your funds. For example, I'm keeping my assets on Binance and Gate.io. I'm trading there actually, so I will combine these two platforms. But it's not only about making one platform for all of your tokens and coins. It's also about using these bots. They're beautiful. I mean, it's something that I wish I used earlier, to be completely honest with you. So trading bot benefit from market movements with automated algorithms, trading terminal, portfolio one more time, and demo. You can start it for free. You have 7 days free trial. And what do you need to do? You simply need to sign up to connect exchanges and of course start trading cryptocurrencies. One more thing, you don't need to connect your credit card like for Netflix to start it for free. I mean, you can simply open and that's it. After 7 days, close it. You don't need to do anything. It's really that easy. So your money is yours. You have access to your funds securely held at exchange and connected by API. Bitsgap does not have access to your money. So it's really straightforward. You'll try to cover everything for you. You have the video on their website to find out more. So features, smart strategy design, test before investing, ready to go strategies, trading view charts, no downloads needed. You can do everything through your browser, safe and secure. So we'll go to the pricing in a moment. It's actually pretty cheap considering how much you can earn by trading. And of course, right now, as you can see here, this is my interface. I'm on the platform. You have two options here, so demo trading and the real one. Now we are at the real one, but for the video purpose, let's go first with demo trading. So go to your account, right to your avatar. Let's say demo. Of course, you have day theme and night theme. I prefer night, but that is completely up to you. Not really important. So I have already started 2 bots, and as you can see here, they're already generating some profit. So this started actually 5 minutes before this video, and you can see we can find out more about history and about what is going to happen in the upcoming period. I mean, you can find out more about possible buy and sell orders. So there was only one order status. You can see here we are talking about Ethereum USDT pair. But before we can start, when you start new bot, you have 2 options. One of them is classic bot, so great bot with moderate risk and reward profile, and great bot now one for sideways channel market. What's the difference here? With classic bot, you can see here, let's say this is a classic one, Ethereum USDT. With classic one, the amount that you buy and sell is always the same. Take a look at this. Bot options. So let's take a look at order statuses. You can see here that amount is always the same. In this case, 0.01548 Ethereum. And buy orders, and you can find sell orders at what amount will sell. Of course, it's simple strategy, right? Buy low, sell high, right? So you can go with scalping, so take 0.1% profit, or you can make it higher. Of course, depends on how much money do you have, and depends on what do you actually want to do. I mean, it's really beautiful, it's really straightforward, and let me show you right now. I'm so excited. Of course, we mentioned Ethereum, we mentioned the classic bot, and yes, we have Sbot, the one where, take a look at this bot option. You can see here that the amount is not the same. It depends on the grid. So you can see here that in this case we have Polkadot and USDT pair. We have different pairs, right? We'll go with of course with stablecoin and maybe we'll try with some of the most popular coins just for the video purpose to see how does it work. So you can see here that in this case it's not the same amount, but it will generate more profit. So depends on the fluctuation of the market. So let's see how does it work. Like I told you guys, we have two options. So start new bot, and let's go with the classic one. So what do we have here? Is you can notice that you have low price and high price up there, right? You can find it here. What does that mean? It means the momentum, it means the limit for buying, and basically limit for selling, and down there limit for buying, right? It's simple as that. We'll go to that in a moment, and of course take a look at this. So you can choose your exchange. Binance, Bitfinex, like we mentioned previously. In this case, Binance. Of course, when you open your demo account, you can fund it with your assets, right? For example, I decided to go with 0.1 Bitcoin just for the video purpose, and I have already invested in Ethereum and Polkadot. I mean, in pair Ethereum USDT and Polkadot USDT. So, for example, right now, also you have down there you have strategies. You can see your balance, right? And strategies like what pairs are really profitable at the moment and in the future, like recommended strategies, and you can see they're based on month backtest results, right? Per week, per 3 days, or per month. Let's go with the month. So we're talking about long-term trading. Let's say I want to go with let's see, I want to go with Rose and USDT. So right now we are at our bot here, right? So we need to set everything. So how much do we want to invest? Let's say I want to invest $10,000, right? Of course, you can go with a smaller amount. This is just a demo, so we want to play, right? So low price would be 0.23 per USDT, and high price will be 0.41. Of course, you can change it easily, so you can go here with I want more fluctuation, so let's say I want to make it 0.29. It depends, of course, if the market is bearish or bullish. And let's say high price will be 0.40, as you can see here. Oh, you can change it here, right? If you find this more visible for you. And you can change your grid. What does that mean? Grid levels. It depends on where new trade is going to happen. You see these lines, right? If you have more grids, let's say you go with 100, you can see that after every movement here, every time we touch a new green, there will be another buy, right? Every time we touch a new sell grid, red one, there will be another sell. So let's go with only 5. You see what is happening here. So current price for per rose is 0.32 USDT. Once when it goes to 0.31, there will be another buy. Then another buy at 0.29. So like I told you guys, it all depends on you. Of course, for less greeds, let's go with $1,000. You'll see what is happening. So for more greeds, let's say 180, then you'll need more amount to invest, right? We're talking about rows, and we're talking about USDT. So you'll need approximately 1,330 rows and 566 USDT. Of course, when it comes to regular account, it'll automatically pull up from your Binance or your KuCoin account. It's that simple. So, and here you have grid step. It's 0.13%. So let's say I don't want to go with there, I want to go with 1%. So that will be 24 grids, right? So 1%. And after, you see here, 0.32 is the price. When it goes down to 0.32, there will be another buy, 0.32, another buy. You see the point. And same thing here for selling, right? You can see that up there, one buy at 0.32, I'm sorry, one sell, then another sell at 0.332, then another sell 0.335, and you can see basically how it's going to work. So these grids are actually very important. So it depends on how do you want to play with this, what's your strategy. And of course, this very important part. So if the market is bearish, of course, if you think we're going down, then it will organize like this, right? It will be wider at a high and lower down. Of course, it depends on you, but basically, if you're playing like this, you cannot miss. I mean, it's that simple. It's straightforward. So there's nothing you can do wrong. System will do everything for you. Even if we're going high, so what? You'll sell it at high, and that's it. You cannot lose. Even if we're going lower, in that case, it will buy at the lower price, and you will accumulate your assets basically at lower price. I mean, it's beautiful. Once when it goes up, of course, then it will sell it for you, and I mean, it is that beautiful. So this is a classic bot. Now of course, you can do a preview here. How does it going to work? So you'll need sell orders at 1,334 rows, and buy orders at 566 USDT. So that's for the amount. Of course, take a look at this. It's one more thing very important. If you put high price up there, then guess what? You will need more. What do you think? You will need more your rows, right? The base currency. And if we're talking about buying, you will need more stable coins, right? If we go down, if you want to buy more at the lower price, you will need more USDT. If you want to buy, if you want to sell it at high, then you will need more rows, right? In this case, we're talking about your base and your quoted currency. So that's it. Let's go like this. And preview. And confirm. That's it. You're good to go. Yes, buy. So one more thing. You can see here that the total amount we want to use is basically, as you can see here, we put at 1,000 USDT. So preview, confirm. It asks you to buy 1,900 rows. It's a little bit more than 1,000 USDT when you convert to rows. Why? Well, because it calculated fee on Binance, right? For buying and for transferring to this platform. So that's it. Let's go yes, buy. Okay, that's about Classic Bot. And let's go one more time. So it's success, market order fill, rows, so buy rows, and that's it. So let's go with Sbot. One more thing. You can see here that grades are different. Of course, you can change them. Of course, there are many tools you can use it here. It depends on if you want to mark something, if you want to select a pattern, right? Even so, it's not only for trading. It's a really useful tool, way useful than the one you have, for example, on Binance. And of course, you can do everything. It's like one ultimate interface for you to do your trading and to calculate the risk, do everything you want to do. So let's go with, of course, you have trailing up, trailing down, take profit stop loss functions if you prefer them. So let's go. What do we have here in the context of best possible options, right? Of course, you don't need to stick with this. If you prefer, let's say my favorite coin is Polkadot, and that's the reason why I put an order with Polka. So it depends. If you're following some coins, you can go with them. It's completely up to you, right? So let's say you want to go with let's say I want to go with Polygon. So Matic USDT pair, here it is. Current price for Matic is $1.64. So let's say the low price is 1.1 and high price is 2.1. I'm a little bit bullish about Matic. I think it can go a little bit higher, so then I can put higher price. I can put in more. I'm sorry, guys. I need to go to deselect this. So let's say I want to put high price to 0.3. In that case, I need more what? I need more USDT. I'm sorry, I need more Matic for selling, right? And I think it won't go down there. 0.4, 0.3. Then I need less USDT. As you can see here, this calculated. Let's say I want to go with 1,000. But as you can see here, depends on the grid. More grids you have, more amount you will need to cover each transaction, right? So I'll go with only 100 grids, so it's still not enough, right? Then I'll decrease this one here, or it will automatically set up here. So let's say approximately 5%. I will invest 2,500 USDT. So depends on how do you set your high price and low price, right? One more thing for Sbot, it's not the same amount, right? It's not like $100 plus for buying, $100 for selling, right? No, in this case, it will calculate the best possible, depends on the grid, right? So $2,500, low price 1.3, high price 2, grid level 100. One more time, what does that mean? It means that every time it goes to, you can see that grids are like 1643, then next one will be at 16332, then next one in 1625. So every time it goes down, it will do another buy, right? Every time it goes up to that middle line, it will do a sell, right? I mean, it's really beautiful. So you have a back test here to see how does it work. So basically prediction depends on the market. So closed orders, how it's going to work. So sell had to basically sell the amount of Matic, right? Price buy, price sell, price buy, price sell, price buy, price sell is 103, 1.63, 1.64. So you can see it here, how does it work, or you can make it wider, right? If you don't want to scalp, if you will prefer to make more profit, then you can shrink level of grids, right? And then backtest. And this is basically the result, the possible investment return. In 30 days, you will have 7.45% for this passive income. You put your assets, I mean, it's beautiful. So you can see here how does it work, possible transactions. So every time it make another sell and buy. So basically it goes up and down. Every sell, every buy. Lower price we sell, I'm sorry, lower price we buy, higher price we sell, depends on the grid, how do you set them up. And of course, let's go back to our pricing to see how actually this affordable is. So we can try it for free. I encourage you to do that before buying. And this is the plans and pricing. So you can see here, basic plan is $29 per month. You have 2 active trading bots, great bots of course, and unlimited smart orders. So it's not only for trading, you can set up your order like for any regular exchange, right? So let's go back to our start new bot, and then you can connect your exchange, and then in my case it will be Binance, and you have to put your APY key. And in case you don't know how to do that, you have everything on there everything on their website to find it. So about security team knowledge base, it's really straightforward. So let's say I want to buy advanced program, according to them is the best choice, right? 5 active trading bots, great bots, unlimited smart contract, future bots if you're interested in futures, and trailing up and down for bots, which is beautiful, and of course pro option, take profits for bots. I mean, it is that beautiful, and of course for 6 months package you have some discounts. So guys, let me know in the comment what you think about Bitsgap, and of course until next video, please invest smart.